Some days, we wake up already feeling tired, even before doing anything. Some nights we lie awake, staring at the ceiling, filled with worry we can't explain. Emotions like anger, sadness, fear, or anxiety arise naturally, but if we don't know how to care for them, they silently hurt us. Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "You are not your emotions. You are the one who can breathe and smile to them." This podcast is an invitation to pause, to breathe with presence, and to begin the journey of healing. Not by resisting the pain, but by gently holding it. Part 1. Emotions are not the enemy. Emotions are not bad. They are signals. Anger is a cry for help. Sadness is the voice of an aching heart. Anxiety is the alarm of a shaken mind. Once we understand this, we stop blaming ourselves for how we feel. Emotions are like clouds. Even the darkest ones eventually pass. We only suffer when we become the clouds, instead of staying grounded as the clear sky behind them. Part 2. Mindful breathing. As a medicine, breath is our first and deepest medicine. Even one conscious breath can shift the course of anger. The Zen master taught, "Breathing in, I know that I am angry. Breathing out, I embrace my anger with tenderness." No need to analyze. No need to fight. Just breathe to be present. Just be present to understand. Place a hand on your heart. Take a deep breath. You may notice a warm space opening within you, a place to rest during the storm. Part 3. The inner child of emotions. Negative emotions are like an abandoned child inside of us, wounded and still waiting to be held. Whenever anger arises, try to whisper, "Dear one, I am here for you. You can cry, and I will not leave." We often wait for someone outside to come and heal us, but the truth is, we are our own first mother. True strength doesn't mean not having emotions. It means having the capacity to hold them with love. Part 4. Looking deeply for the roots. Emotions are the surface. Understanding is the root. When someone says something hurtful and you feel deeply wounded, pause and ask, "Why did that hurt so much?" Perhaps it's not the words, but an old wound that has not yet healed. To understand yourself is the beginning of freedom, because once we understand, we stop blaming and start loving. Part 5. Mindfulness in everyday life. You don't need to meditate for an hour every morning to practice. You just need to live with your breath and awareness. When drinking water, feel the coolness on your tongue. When washing dishes, be fully with the dishes. When walking, be aware of each step. Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh said, "The real miracle is not walking on water, but walking on earth in peace with each mindful step. Even one mindful day can begin to heal a lifetime of rushing." Part 6. You are not your emotions. You are not your anger. You are not your sadness. You are the one who sees the anger and breathes with it, the one who notices the sadness and gently holds it. Imagine sitting by a river, watching the water flow. Your emotions are the water. You are the one sitting, not swept away. Awareness gives you that space, that freedom. But before we end, let's take a moment to breathe together. Breathing in, I have arrived. Breathing out, I am home. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. With your breath, with your heart, with yourself. The one healing, one gentle moment at a time. Thank you for listening. If this podcast brings you a little peace, please share it with someone you care about. Even one mindful breath can save a wandering heart. Until next time, may you dwell in each moment deeply.